Maintenance. It's one of those things that happens 20 minutes at a time here on the Mill Brook Railroad. Let me show you what we're working on right now. Spent about 20 minutes and did a little ballast refresh today. Eric had derailed a gondola full of ballast, and well, figured I'd empty it where it was most needed, right along here, not far from where the car was derailed. That green one is the one that was derailed, by the way. So came down through here and did a little refresh on the shoulders. It's important to do this every now and then, because if you don't have ballast on the shoulders, well, it's like taking the sides off of a pyramid. Eventually it's going to topple over, and you're gonna lose all the ballast out of your cribbing. The cribbing would be this stuff here between the ties. So it's important that that stays in place, because that's what locks the track in place. So in order to lock the track in place, you've got to have something out on the shoulders, enough to slide off to the side without emptying out the crib. So here we are. I didn't tamp this. I didn't need it, but I just refreshed the ballast, just topped it off. So here we are. Now there's a lot more I need to do as I come down here, and this is why I'm rebuilding the 1301 ballast hopper, but I need to replace ties in here first before I refresh any ballast. This desperately needs it through here. Now you can see the sides have definitely fallen off of the pyramid here, and they've kind of settled down onto the sides, and you know, it's fine to let it do that. That gives me a base to lock in the next layer of ballast. So one layer builds on the other, and that's okay. That's what makes a railroad stable long term. And then through here, I should do some more work in here and lift this. But let me show you another area that I started working on. So right down here, I started working on this. This is a section that we call the hammer. This is the steepest part of the whole railroad. And I started working on this, 2 months ago, and ran out of ballast to push up underneath it. But I raised this about 2 inches in places, and I've been slowly putting ballast in here. I've got to tamp it still. There are some ties that I have to replace, but there are always ties you have to replace. And I'm working on lessening this grade here. I'm definitely not done, because my work stopped right about here, and just beyond that you can kind of see the track starts to lean off to the left. Well, that has to be fixed too. So as I fix that, I'm going to raise the track and basically take most of this dip out. There's a dip in the grade, and if I take most of this dip out, I can even out the grade a little bit. So my 3.8% will probably be more like, I don't know, 3.2 or maybe 2.9 when I'm done. I'll have to measure it once I'm finally done, but that's where we're at. Projects coming up here on the Mill Brook Railroad. And I thought this was only going to be a ballast update video. Oh well. There's a lot involved in ballast, let's just put it that way, and there's a lot you can do with it. Like in here, you can build up the road bed. It'll improve drainage, improve stability, and straighten out the grade all at the same time. Ballast does a huge amount of work on the railroads. I'll have to do a whole video on ballast at some point, but well, this is where we're at for right now. And as we go out, I'll give you a look at this one sunny spot we've got today. It's interesting that the shade starts right about where that hole is in the ballast. I've got to fix that too. A lot of stuff that needs to be done. There's always stuff that needs to be done on the railroad. So thanks for watching today's video. you did enjoy it, hit that thumbs up button. Join us over on Patreon. Paid Patreon members get early access to videos and a bunch of other exclusive content. So check us out over there at patreon.com/Mill Brook Railroad, and we'll see you in the next video.